the new Curve 9380 from RIM, and I'm joined by Tom. If I swing my camera around. Hello Tom, who's going to help us understand this device and how it fits into the BlackBerry range. Let's just go back to the home screen. There we go. Would you mind giving us a tour and explaining, because I mean at first glance a lot of people will think this looks a lot like the Torch 9860, your other all touchscreen device.
Yeah.
But it's not like that. First of all, it's not a Torch, it's a Curve. So
it is.
It's a slightly different market, slightly different price point perhaps.
Yeah, absolutely. So the Curve series of smartphones is you can see it as our entry level.
This is the Curve. This is the Curve we saw launched earlier this year. This is the 9360, which has the keypad, and this new one today is a version.
It's all touch.
That's all touch.
And I think the best way to explain this is, I mean, if you put these two devices side by side upside down, you wouldn't be able to tell which one it is. They're identical in their basic construction. They're the same shape, size, weight. The difference really is the way that you choose to input into the device. They're both lovely, slim smartphones, really nice industrial design, nice construction. I actually think it's one of the most attractive smartphones we made. Lovely curved surface, nothing interrupting that, so really nice. So if you are thinking about buying a BlackBerry for the first time, if you're interested in touch, it's a really great option. It's something that absolutely you could be sort of proud of walking around using. It's got a really nice high-res 3.2-inch touchscreen, simple, easy to use, running BlackBerry 7 operating system, as with all of our recent launches.
Just to be clear, the screen res is the same as the the 9360, just with a different shape and obviously larger. So we could expect to see slightly lower pixel density. But what do you think, it comes off all right? Do you think it scales up all right?
I think it's got a really nice screen. Obviously, there is some difference between the Torch 9860, which is our top-end touchscreen phone, and this. But it's absolutely been designed to offer a great experience. Certainly, you know, if you're keen into sort of social networking, that sort of thing. It's got a nice 5-megapixel camera on the back with a flash. You can record video on that. You know, it's perfect if you want to sort of upload stuff onto Facebook or upload pictures up to Twitter using our onboard integrated applications. So it's a really nice entry level, or perhaps an upgrade path from the 8520 or the other Curve products that have come out recently. And you know, if you're thinking about using touch for the first time, it's a really nice stepping point without having to sort of compromise on the BlackBerry experience that you're used to.
It's a familiar layout. Let's just get more light on this so I can see. So I've got my optical scroll button here.
You've still got the touchpad, because it's the trackpad. Sorry.
Yeah.
It's quite an important part of BlackBerry smartphones at the moment.
Yeah.
It allows for that sort of fine tuning when you're navigating your way around a web page.
And you don't really want to have to switch between touch, the sensitivity of touch, and then a big push, because these 4 buttons down here are big push buttons, you know, and it's kind of a mental jump to switch between the two.
Yeah.
So you know, you still have the sensitivity of the capacitive. Well, optical. It's a slightly different technology for the screen.
Yeah, okay. Exactly, yeah.
And on the top we have the lock button, very familiar. Let's get some focus on there. There we go. The lock button, the jack for your headphones, the sensor, the earpiece, the camera, and the flash on the back. The same 3-layered design that we've seen on the Curve 9360. Where's the speaker? Is that the speaker? Just there.
Speaker down towards the bottom, yeah.
Okay, let's see if sorry about the focus. Let's get that in focus. There we go. Thanks a lot. So just a reminder, we're looking at the Curve 9380, which is the first touchscreen Curve, and that was a quick run through. Thanks again, Tom.